your computer teachers. For the class 7, today I am going to say about or something about that revision 2. In the last revision we have already read about the binary manipulation, and in this also we are going to read about the binary manipulations. Here some questions are given there which are very important to your examination view, how the question will come, and that system how it converted into the another system, means that how the that binary number, decimal number, octal number are converted to each other. Okay student, now we are going to study about that binary manipulations. Here are the some questions. Solve the following question. Find the sum of the this and this, means that binary number. We have in a previous video we have already learned about that how to add the binary number. Means that we already know about that the addition of the binary number. Means that 0 plus 0 is equal to 0. You know that already. 1 plus 1 is equal to 0. Carry over 1, and this will go to from here. Okay. Again we add, then it will be 0 and carry over from here. And again it will go over here, and when we add this it will go 11. Okay student, this is the way how we can add the binary number. In this same way, here is the this is the subtraction, and how we can do the subtraction also. Now we are going to do the subtraction, means that we have already some rules, we have to follow that rules. According to that rules it will be also the solve this problem. Next is that multiplication, how the multiplication is done over. Here I have already shown about that. You see here we can see these tables and the functionality how this happens. Okay, in the general way, whatever we are going to multiply over there, if 1 is multiplied by 1, then there will be the 1, and if multiplied by 1 by the 0, and the product will be also the same methods as a simple mathematical way. Okay, in the division, here we have already done about that how we can do the division also. And now here this is the conversion. This is the decimal number which will convert in the binary number. Means that the number means 20 number will be divided by only 2. See here the 2 is given here. When we divide the 20 by 2, it will be 10, but remainder will be the 0. And again we are going to divide that by this 10 by the 5 to the 10, and there will the remainder will be 0. And now again we are going to divide this 5 by the 2, and 2 to the 4. Okay, and carry over 1, then that is called the remainder. Okay, and now again this 2 is divided by 2 by 2. Okay, and there will be the 1, and the remainder will be the 0. Okay student, now see here, now we have to put this now 1, okay, and divide by this and put here 0, and this 1 will be come here. Now when we write the answer, we have to follow the from downwards to the upward. Means that we have to follow the we have see this arrow, this is already given over here. Okay, from downwards 1 0 1 double 0. You see here the answer will be like this. Okay student, now again we are going to do the next problem. Means that it will divide into the octa. Means that is the base 10, means it is the decimal number, and now decimal number is going to convert into the octa number. Means that whatever we are going to convert into the version, we have to divide this same number. Means octa divisible by the 8. Okay, when we divide by this 8, then what will be there? 8 is the 24. Okay, 24, and when the 24 will be minus from the 31, then what will be there? There will be 7. Remainder will be 7. Now again when we divide by this and 3, we will put the 0, and this 3 will be goes our remainder here. Okay, if the number is not divisible, we have already know about that, we have to put the 0 in the place of that. And now see here this 7 and 3, means that when the this 31 is converted into the octa number, and that value will come in the vector is called the 37. Okay student, Now see this 27 converted into the 16 hexadecimal. Okay, now here that's same method. Okay, if you want to convert these things, okay, see here how this means b means 11. Now see here this 1b, okay, this is already converted over here. Now when we convert it into the base 10 means decimal number, the answer will come to like that. Okay, now see here this is the process how we are going to convert it. Okay student, if any problem, just recall your last video. Okay, now converting the binary number into the decimal number equivalent to, okay, this is the step how we can do the perform the. Okay student, see here same as it is, this is the base 10 means decimal number and this is the octal number, and when we converted this 23 into octal number, we have to divide by 8. It is the follow according to that. Now see here hexadecimal number, okay, see there, and this is the way how we can convert the or manipulate the number into the other forms. Okay student, if you have any problem, just we'll discuss in the classes while doing the classes. Student, bye student.